Global markets are still reeling from last week's devastating losses and rising trade tensions. Investors are already preparing for what some are fearing to be another Black Monday-style collapse from 1987. The reason? A surge in U.S. recession bets from Trump-led global trade war. Flight from global stocks accelerated on Monday after the worst week since March 2020. From Sydney to Tokyo, Asian stocks continued their decline. China's stock market officially opens with a 10% drop, while Tokyo is down 9%. Gold reversed last week's falls and jumped about $80 in less than an hour in early trading. More importantly, the sell-off on Trump's economic broadsides has erased over $11 trillion from the U.S. stock market since his inauguration. Those losses are equal to nearly 40% of U.S. GDP. For markets, crypto's deep crash on Sunday and start to the weak point to another Black Monday. Bitcoin crashed over 7% to below $78,000. That is over $30,000 from its peak on the 20th of January. The latest fall comes after cryptos marked their worst first quarter in a decade. Second-ranked token, Ether, plummeted to $1,538, an intraday low not seen since October 2023. Crypto's $80 billion market cap fall since Trump's first day in office is expected to worsen. The fear of a recession is quickly becoming the consensus. JP Morgan gives that a 60% chance. A bet that high not seen since the financial crisis in 2008 after Lehman's collapse. On Polymarket, a crypto-based prediction platform, the odds of a U.S. recession in 2025 surged to a new high of 62%, and that number was under 40% just a few days ago. Jim Cramer, host of CNBC's Mad Money, didn't mince his words. This is a man-made obliteration, is what he said during Friday's show. He warned viewers that the setup eerily resembles the three-day decline leading into the 1987 crash. We'll know by Monday, is what he added. Billionaire investor Bill Ackman echoed those sentiments. Ackman noted that he wouldn't be surprised to see a presidential announcement on Monday delaying the tariffs. In addition, he warned the risk of not doing so is that the massive increase in uncertainty drives the economy into a recession, potentially a severe one. However, Trump and his administration remain defiant and unperturbed by the bloodbath in financial markets.
I don't want anything to go down, but sometimes you have to take medicine to fix something. And we have such a horrible, we have been treated so badly by other countries because we had stupid leadership that allowed this to happen. They took our businesses, they took our money, they took our jobs. Inflation is going to be a big deal because if you look at me, I took in hundreds of billions of dollars. This is not new to me. I took in during my 4 years hundreds of billions of dollars from China.